Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sticky English with John and Mateo. I'm your teacher, John.
And I'm your student, Mateo. Hello, everyone.
Today, we'll learn something very useful. We'll learn how to ask for directions and understand directions in English.
Yes, like when you are lost and want to ask, where is the bus station?
Exactly. We'll learn greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, and daily activities, all in our city adventure.
Sounds fun. Let's go explore the city in English.
When you talk to someone in the street, you start with a greeting. Let's practice.
Sure.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Good. Now, when it's morning, say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And at night, say good evening.
Good evening.
Perfect. Now, everyone listening, repeat after us. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Excellent. Now, let's use them in a real situation. Good morning. Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Good morning. It's over there, next to the park.
Perfect. Very polite. Okay, everyone, repeat this phrase. Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Nice and clear. Now, let's learn numbers because directions often use numbers, like take bus number 5 or walk 2 blocks.
Let's start from 1 to 10.
Great idea. Repeat after us, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Now let's use them in examples. Take bus number 2.
Walk 3 blocks.
Turn left at street number 5.
Go straight for 10 meters.
Perfect. Now let's ask our listeners to repeat one important sentence. Walk 2 blocks.
Walk 2 blocks.
Nice.
John, what's block?
Good question. A block is a part of a street, one space between 2 corners. So if someone says walk 2 blocks, you walk past 2 corners.
Ah, okay. 2 corners, 2 blocks.
Exactly. Now, sometimes people say when a place is open, like it's open on Monday. So let's review the days of the week.
Okay.
Repeat after me, everyone. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. Now let's use them in sentences. The museum is open on Monday.
The library is open on Tuesday.
The park is closed on Sunday.
Oh no!
Yes, no park on Sunday. Okay, everyone, your turn. Repeat. The store is open on Friday.
The store is open on Friday.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about objects we see when asking for directions.
Like a street, a car, or a bus stop.
Exactly. Let's repeat these words. Street, car, bus, bus stop, park, bank, store, school.
Street, car, bus, bus stop, park, bank, store, school.
Nice. Now let's practice with small sentences. The bus stop is near the school.
The bank is next to the park.
The store is across the street.
The car is in front of the house.
Perfect. Now, listeners, repeat after us. Near, next to, across, in front of.
Near, next to, across, in front of.
These words are very important for directions.
Yes, they tell you where something is.
Okay, now imagine you're walking around asking for directions and you get hungry.
Of course, I need food and drinks.
Yes, let's learn some food and drink words. Repeat after me, everyone. Water, coffee, tea, juice, bread, sandwich, pizza.
Water, coffee, tea, juice, bread, sandwich, pizza.
Good. Now let's use them in simple sentences. I want some water.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I eat a sandwich at lunch.
I love pizza at night.
Me too. Now let's practice a real-life situation. Excuse me, where is a cafe?
The cafe is next to the library.
Perfect. And now let's order something. I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a sandwich, please.
Nice. Everyone listening, repeat after us. I would like water, please. I would like a pizza, please.
Yummy English practice.
Now let's talk about daily activities, because sometimes we give directions based on what we do each day.
Right, like I go to work in the morning or I go to the park in the evening.
Exactly. Let's learn some daily activity verbs. Repeat after me. Wake up, go to work, study, eat, walk, sleep.
Wake up, go to work, study, eat, walk, sleep.
Good. Now let's use them in small sentences. I wake up at 7.
I go to work at 8.
I eat lunch at 12.
I walk home at 5.
I sleep at 10.
That's my routine too.
Nice. Now, in our directions theme, we can use these to say where we go. I walk to school.
I go to the supermarket.
I walk to the bus stop.
I go home.
Perfect. Everyone listening, repeat these sentences. I walk to school. I go to the supermarket. I walk to the bus stop. I go home.
Very useful for everyday life.
Okay, now it's time for our main topic, asking for directions.
Let's do it.
The most common question is, excuse me, where is the?
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Yes. Or, excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Or, excuse me, where is the park?
Excellent. Now let's learn how to give directions. Repeat after me. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's near the bank. It's next to the cafe.
Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's near the bank.
Perfect. Let's do a full dialogue. Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight. Turn right. It's next to the school.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excellent. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Repeat with us. Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight. Turn right. It's next to the school.
You're welcome. Very, very good. Okay, friends, let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, let's go step by step.
First, we learned greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good evening.
Then we learned numbers, 1 to 10.
Next, days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We learned objects, street, bus stop, park, school, bank.
And we practiced food and drinks, water, coffee, sandwich, pizza.
We also talked about daily activities, wake up, walk, eat, sleep.
And finally, we practiced asking and giving directions. Go straight, turn left. It's next to the cafe.
That's a lot of English for one episode.
Yes, but you did great. Now, dear listener, repeat one last time. Excuse me, where is the post office?
Go straight and turn right.
Excellent. Very, very good.
Yes, and remember, practice every day.
Say hello, count, talk about your day, and ask for directions in English.
And don't forget to smile when you say, "Excuse me."
That's right. Okay, everyone, time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye and have a great day.